Namaskar, this is Arvind Singh. I'm a head of career development and corporate relations of Gitanjali Group, Udaipur. As you all know that we always come up with the new topic related to career development and the skill development or the employability enhancement of students. So in the same way, today our topic is also very important for all the students. That is how to crack the campus placements. Because we have got many queries from all over India that the campus interview is going on, or we just want the help of yours by which we can easily crack the campus placement. So there are many ways by which you can easily crack the campus placement. But as per my experience in the field of career development from almost more than 14, 15 years, I can say you the tips, I can give you some aspects by which you can easily crack the process. First, when you are sitting for the campus interviews or the campus interview are coming in their colleges, then the role of campus interview is taken care by the training and placement cell of that institute. So as a student, you should have a moral responsibility that you have to have a good connect with the training and placement cell of your institute. You have the faculty coordinator normally everywhere in the colleges. They have the departmental placement coordinator as well as the separate training and placement cell. So you have to be in good connect with them. You have to always visit the page whatever is there in your colleges for the training and placement activities, or the notices as well as the information is being circulated by the training and place, right? So that is the first way. Second is you have to be with your updated resumes, because as you all know that the first impression is the last impressions. So resume is your first impressions. If you are going ahead with your updated resumes which carries all the information which is related to the job specific profile, specific achievements of yours, then it will definitely carry a weightage when you are sitting for the process. You will be ahead of anybody in your institute who is having the resumes better than anyone else, right? So that is the second point. Third, written examination, which is a very essential part for any campus interview process, because in all the campus interviews in 99% case the companies will take the written examination. Why the companies will take the written? Because to scrutiny in a better way, or to shortlist the candidate in less number so that they can easily do the process ahead in a easy way. So that is the best way of shortlisting the candidate. So written examination is a core part of the campus recruitment process. Whether you are very good in interview, whether you are very good in communication, but you have not cracked the written examination, then you will not reach at that phase. So you have to have the better preparation for the aptitude comes, logical as well as mathematics, the subject knowledge or the domain knowledge or the specific job profile for which the company is giving you the job, as well as the general English. When you clear the written examination, now you have almost completed the first phase of the process in which you have set for the interviews. But because you are sitting for the interviews, and for sitting for the interviews, you have to have the better understanding about the company, about job profile, and the profile what they are looking for. You have to go through the details of that specific company on their website. And what are the best ways to get the information about company? You can take a review from your alumni or the passed out student who is already campus placed in the same organization from your colleges. So that is the better way to understand about the company, by the review of the candidate. And there are many online portals available on social media or on the internet by which you can get the better idea about the company profile, because they have already given the job description. So you have to go through all the details about the packages. These all information you can get from the training and placement cell or through the pre-placement talk. When the companies are giving or the taking the pre-placement talk before the recruitment process start, then you have to attend that pre-placement talk and you have to come with the queries, or you have to understand each and every aspect of that company. Then the remaining part, that is, if the number is very high in the written examination, if the number are more in the written one, then the companies take GD. But now the trend directly companies are taking the interviews only. So when you are sitting for the GD, you have to do the practice for group discussions by the mock GD activities, which you can see on a YouTube portal as well as on another platform also, or you can do the practice GD in your institute also. But you have to just keep in your mind that you have to take the examples of the topics related to the GD, which are in the current trends. If something is going in the market, then normally these kind of topics is being asked by the companies. And the interviews, that is the technical as well as the HR, or the mock interviews, are the best way of giving you the more practice about the interviews. These are the few points which I felt needed for the student. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Jai Hind.